I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, mostly in the 50s to the low 60s, and some breezy south winds across the central and east, a cold front moves through for tonight. Tomorrow and Thursday are slightly cooler with lighter winds and highs mostly in the 50s. Westerly downslope winds off high pressure lead to a nice Friday and highs topping out in the mid-50s to the low 60s. Unsettled weather cooling our highs into the upper 40s to the mid-50s for Saturday and Christmas Eve day. Rain chances really increase for Saturday evening through Christmas Eve day when low pressure moves on to the plains. A rain-snow mix is possible across west and central areas for Christmas Eve night through Christmas. There are forecast model differences to work out, but snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches are currently possible to the north and northwest of the Tri-Cities. If the storm slows down, accumulating snow may also occur late Christmas through next Tuesday. Highs stay above freezing in the 40s for Christmas Day. Checking our long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are expected to continue Christmas Eve day through New Year's Day. Chances are good for above normal precipitation in Nebraska and Kansas early on next week before a trend of near normal precipitation late next week through January 1st. Key weather factors impacting the markets include a storm moving through the U.S. for Christmas, good rain for Argentina, and wet season rains returning to central Brazil. Across the plains, wheat continues to overwinter well aside from drought conditions in a few areas, and despite the absence of snow cover, only a third of the U.S. wheat production area is experiencing drought, which is down from 71% this time a year ago. Much of the U.S. experiences mild weather for this time of year the next several days. Little or no precipitation falls the next 5 days across large sections of the northern plains, upper Midwest, and southeast. Disorganized storminess leads to rain and snow across the Pacific coast, with the heaviest precipitation in California. Late in the week, precipitation develops in the central and southern plains, a storm that has the potential to bring accumulating snow to some areas, along with some cooler temperatures by Christmas Day. Moving through the Midwest for Christmas Eve day through next week, the storm may include some snow, but with temperatures remaining above normal through the end of the year. Central Brazil expects widespread heavier rain to move back through today and last through the end of the year, helping to improve conditions for pod-setting soybeans. Southern Brazil had some drier periods the last couple of weeks, allowing the upcoming heavier rain to not be a negative for developing corn and soybeans. Argentina conditions remain very favorable for corn and soybeans as scattered rain continues through at least midweek. This weekend through January in Argentina, the trend of widespread rain is likely to continue. Europe's wheat areas were fairly dry over the weekend after a long period of above normal rainfall. Increasing precipitation chances in Europe today continue through the weekend. Spain and Italy, though, see less rain and are in need of more rain for vegetative wheat. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.